Hello again, I'm ChewOnTech and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about the experience I had at the ICTLT event held at Suntec City. It was an event held by MOE to tell teachers how to use technology in order to help students in the teaching and learning. I was involved in explaining how podcasts had helped in the teaching and learning of students, and we have also created a website with lots of podcasts based on the topic chemistry. The podcast I have created with my team is called Covalent Bonding. Here are some photos for you to enjoy.
That can be conducted at the same time, especially when teachers are not around, students are absent, students are away from classes. I mean, this is a very good approach in which students can catch up on what they have missed out in class, because it's just like a lesson that they actually would have been in class, and they would have received the lesson in the class as well.
Are you using it for?
Yes.
Are you using it for every chapter, or is it a one-off thing?
We have all the chapters online. We are not using it for every chapter. However, there are some chapters where it's quite theoretical, like environmental science. Then the podcast serves as prior knowledge for students to embark on projects for discussion in class. So podcast is one of the approach that we use, but there are many ways. For example, we may not have, due to the curriculum constraint, we may not be able to teach all the topics. So some topics that are very theoretical, students access the podcast beforehand, they embark on a project, we come back, we discuss the questions. On the other hand, we can also make use of getting students to listen to the podcast during e-learning. Then they actually attempt an online quiz, and from the mistakes that have been made through the online quiz, we know exactly where to zoom in to address these concerns and to start our lesson at the same time. So it is an approach that we use to help us to cater better to the needs of the students in the class as well, and also to support TLLM as well.
This has been another video. I'm ChewOnTech from ChewOnTech.com. Do remember to visit the forums at forums.ChewOnTech.com. If you wish to support ChewOnTech, please visit support.ChewOnTech.com.